I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have right access to the repository. This matters because permissions determine whether you can push changes. Once confirmed, open the repo in the browser for quick edits or run git clone to work locally. Next, identify the exact file path and the branch you will modify so you avoid editing the wrong version. Make sure to switch branches now if needed. This prevents merge conflicts later and keeps history clear for reviewers. Now perform the actual edit. Open the file in your editor or use GitHub's web editor for quick fixes. You should explain changes in code comments so reviewers understand intent. Then run tests or linters locally to catch errors. This saves time in code review. Once satisfied, stage your changes with git add, verify them with git status, and craft a clear commit message that states the what and why. These steps ensure your update is clean and review-ready. Commit your staged changes using git commit with a clear message that explains the purpose. This helps future maintainers. Once committed, push to the remote branch with git push, then open a pull request so reviewers can inspect and discuss the change. If conflicts arise, fetch and rebase or merge the base branch, resolve conflicts, and test again. After addressing review feedback, merge the PR according to project rules. If something fails, retry tests and communicate in the PR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.